2018 Ford Transit Connect review. You'll be impressed while using Transit Connect's versatility and affordability. Commercial van buyers who work with confined towns or carry smaller loads should choose the 2018 Ford Transit Connect to be a reasonable, practical solution to a full-size van. It doesn't contain the room, payload and towing capacity from the larger models. However, its 4-cylinder engine and car-based platform allow it to be more economical to control and easier to move. The Transit Connect will come in 2 body styles, 3 trim levels, 2 wheelbases, is actually a number of options that allow it to be easy to customize to do the job at hand. The short wheelbase passenger wagon can seat as much as 5, even though the long wheelbase model can accommodate as much as 7. The highest trim level is comfortably outfitted basic features as leather seats, dual-zone climate control with separate rear climate controls, along with a touchscreen infotainment system with navigation. In addition to economy, utility and practicality, this Euro-derived van includes a relatively stylish design. This is a cut above a number of its boxier competitors. And the cabin supplies a comfortable environment, with decently supportive seats and also a modern, well-organized dashboard. Perhaps hunting for a small people hauler or perhaps a work van that gives many from the capabilities of the larger vehicle should be thinking about taking a tryout in a 2018 Ford Transit Connect. What's new? The 2018 Ford Transit Connect receives only minor alterations in the availability of that standard and optional features. The base XL trim is going to do everything for the Transit Connect inexpensively. But for just a modest price jump, we'd recommend the XLT. Stepping as much as the higher trim level adds quite a few comfort and convenience features that make to get a more pleasant driving experience, and are both available in short and long wheelbase versions available for you. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Ford Transit Connect is usually a compact minivan offered in cargo van and wagon body styles, each with 2 different wheelbases. 3 trim levels can be found: XL, XLT and also the wagon-only titanium. The XLT and titanium wagons seat 5 or 7, dependent upon which wheelbase you ultimately choose, while 7-passenger seating is standard within the XL. All versions have dual sliding rear doors and provide you with a choice between swing-out back cargo doors or perhaps an overhead liftgate. The titanium trim only comes together with the liftgate. There's one engine for sale in the Transit Connect, a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine that offers 169 horsepower and 171 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent on the front wheels by having a 6-speed automatic transmission. Base standard equipment within the XL cargo van includes 16-inch steel wheels, grey grille bumper side mouldings, keyless entry, air cooling, vinyl upholstery and floor surfaces, built-in cargo tie-down hooks, an overhead storage shelf, a fold-flat front passenger seat, a tilt and telescoping tyre, power front windows, power door locks along with a top-speaker audio system with an auxiliary audio input jack. The XL wagon version comes using the same standard equipment but adds rear parking sensors, driver lumbar adjustment, second and third row seats, 2 rear speakers with a stereo, rear climate controls and power second row windows. Stepping nearly, the XLT cargo van gets you body color bumpers, fog lights, power adjustable heated mirrors, rear privacy glass, cloth upholstery, carpeted flooring surfaces, driver lumbar adjustment, a passenger vanity mirror, a multifunction display, cruise control and also a CD player. The XLT wagon can be purchased in short and long wheelbase models and mirrors the XLT cargo's equipment. It also adds automatic headlights with configurable daytime running lamps, roof rails, automatic wipers, a rear view camera, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a leather-wrapped tyre, a power-adjustable driver's seat, a conversation mirror, a thicker acoustic windshield, 4 front speakers for the audio system and voice controls. Ford's My Key technique is also included. The top-of-the-line titanium wagon adds 16-inch alloy wheels, adaptive cornering fog lights, power folding mirrors, chrome exterior trim, dual-zone automatic climate control, leather upholstery, heated front seats, a 6.5-inch touch screen, navigation and also the Sync 3 infotainment interface. Some noteworthy options include 16-inch alloy wheels, a compressed gas main engine prop package, a rear-view camera, automatic headlights, back and front parking sensors, a towing package, a roof rack, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, satellite and HD radio, plus the Ford Sync 3 infotainment system with 6.5-inch touchscreen. Trim tested. There's only limited experience while using Ford Transit Connect. The following is our first undertake what's significant concerning this and what to expect. Driving. Although the 2018 Ford Transit Connect lacks the get-up-and-go of several V6-powered competitors, it feels much lighter plus a lot more agile out and about. These characteristics are equally helpful for large families as well as delivery drivers having to get in and away from tight spaces. Comfort. The Transit Connect's ride is usually bumpy over rough roads, and suspension-transmitted noises make their way into the cabin. As a result, pers transitioning coming from a traditional minivan will find that the suspension doesn't quite give the suppleness and isolation they've arrived at expect. Seat comfort. The Transit Connect wagon produces a good family vehicle, with generous space for approximately 7 passengers. And both short and long wheelbase cargo vans can be obtained to suit your needs. The quality from the interior materials is below that of numerous Ford products but remains pretty nice because of its class. Utility. If you must haul cargo, the short wheelbase cargo van offers 103.9 cubic feet behind the leading seats, even though the long wheelbase models boast 128.6 cubic feet. Cargo room from the short wheelbase wagons is reduced with a maximum of 77.1 cubic feet, along with the long wheelbase models offer 104.2 cubic feet. Technology. The available Ford Sync 3 infotainment technique is quick to answer user inputs and feels comparable to a smartphone, with pinch to zoom and swiping gestures. Less user-friendly would be the standard stereo interface, which consists of your small central screen controlled by many buttons.